Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, there's no option to uninstall Microsoft Edge because Microsoft does not want you to do that, but there is a way you can do it. So, search for this tool called Revo Uninstaller and hit enter, and then download this to your system. Okay, we'll just use the free version. That is more than sufficient for our work. And click on open to install the exe file. Okay, and then I accept the agreement. Next, install and finish and launch it. Now you'll find Microsoft Edge here. You have to right click on it and select uninstall. Okay, so it says removing this product may cause some feature or other software to not to work properly. Click on it and finally click on continue to proceed with the uninstallation of Microsoft Edge, but I recommend against doing that. Okay, anyway, they will create a system restore point before uninstallation, but you can still uninstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.